Welcome back to High Gear News. Today we've got 3 epic Ford moments you absolutely need to know about. So let's get into it.
Let's go.
The Nürburgring War just heated up. Ford's Mustang GTD, the only American car to break 7 minutes around the Nordschleife. Chevrolet enters the group chat, which unleashed the ZR1 and ZR1X. Posted lap times roughly 2 to 3 seconds quicker, and the ZR1X hit a 6:49.275. That took the American production record from Ford's backyard and gave it to Chevrolet.
In Ford's response, CEO Jim Farley jumped into the Corvette's Instagram post and dropped the ultimate mic drop. Congrats to the Corvette team. Game on.
Game on. I think that means gloves off.
Oh,
We're about to go back to the track. Expect Ford to bring the GTD back to the green hell for a rematch. Now, there's a lot of banter online saying the Corvette's lap time is not that impressive compared to the GTD, considering it is lighter and has more power. For example, the GTD weighs in at 4,343 pounds and makes 800 horsepower, while the ZR1X weighs in at 4,100 pounds and makes a 1,250 horsepower combined. Chevy also prides itself on the fact that it wasn't a pro racer that drove the ZR1X. It was actually their engineers that drove the Corvettes. If Ford's gonna go back to the green hell, take the record back home and say the GTD is faster, I feel like then Chevy's gonna go, okay, well, now we're gonna go back as well, but with pro racing drivers. And it's just gonna become this
It's gonna be this mental tango of like, okay, like who does what?
That's what I love about the horsepower wars and the race car wars, is that we always win.
Right.
The end consumer always gets a better product. So.
Yeah. You're gonna be sitting from your back seat, just eating popcorn, chilling out while you're just seeing them duke it out. I think that's great.
Ford just celebrated 60 years of the Bronco nameplate, including its heritage with the 2026 Bronco 60th anniversary package, and it's only available on the Outer Banks trim with the Sasquatch off-road package. So yes, you're paying for capability and style. It's available in Wimbledon white, which is a great color, or ruby red with vermilion red accents, retro style grille, 60 logo badges, and those sweet 17-inch gravity gray wheels with red center caps.
Inside, true tone leather seats, Alpine vinyl details, and a dash-mounted anniversary plaque.
I love all those small details on the Broncos. So now that they're actually taking it to the 60th anniversary, it's just a nice touch. And Ford hasn't dropped exact pricing yet, but since a Bronco with Sasquatch stickered around $57,000 in 2025, the special edition is likely flirting with the $60,000, aptly matching its 60th anniversary birthday.
I like what they did there.
Yeah, you see? And if you want to order one, make sure you check us out at LeifJohnsonFord.com, where you can place an order. And don't forget, we don't charge over MSRP on new vehicle orders. We offer pickup and delivery and complete remote signing, so you don't even have to get up off the couch from watching this video to ordering your 60th anniversary Bronco, and you can have it delivered. The other part of that is, let's say you fly in from a different state, I'll pick you up at the airport. And finally, Ford is calling August 11th, 2025 a Model T moment.
What does that mean?
It means that CEO Jim Farley says the company will unveil a brand new EV platform built in Kentucky by a skunkworks team that's meant to spark a revolution in affordability and efficiency. So basically, we're gonna make a bunch of cars that a lot of people can afford. So the Model T moment is referring to Ford's pioneering vehicle of the early 1900s. It was one of the earliest mass-produced affordable cars. Farley says the platform is the foundation for a compact SUV, a small pickup, and maybe a small delivery vehicle, all targeting a base price around $25,000. Built in the US using cost-efficient LFP batteries and aimed squarely at affordable Chinese EV brands like BYD and Geely. I think it's Geely. I think that's how you say that. Let's recap.
Bet. The GTD lost the ring record to the Chevy ZR1X, but Farley says game on.
Gloves off, we're taking the record back. Ford is also celebrating 60 years of Bronco with a retro-heavy 60th anniversary Sasquatch package.
And Ford is gearing up for what they're calling EV revolution on August 11th with their Model T level breakthrough.
Model T level breakthrough. So which story are you most hyped about?
The GTD showdown?
Is it going to be the stylish 60th anniversary Bronco tribute?
Or the Ford EV salvo?
Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell if you don't want to miss any of our Ford coverage. Until next time, guys, peace out.